This morning I'm going to go out and do the iceline trail in Yoho National Park. I'm going to start off in the parking lot at the Takaka Falls, and then I'm going to head towards Laughing Falls, and then up towards Yoho Lake, and then down towards the hostel, and then back to the parking lot. So in the parking lot there is a campground right beside it, so there is outhouses there. Fair amount of parking, but you have to get here early because it fills up extremely fast. And the falls, you can hear them behind me. The sun's in there, so I can't show them to you right now, but I will show them to you later. Beautiful start with the falls right off the bat at the trailhead. So I'm at my starting point, the Takaka Falls Campground. It's a walk-in tent site in which there's wheelbarrows at the parking lot, in which you can use to bring your stuff in, because it's a little bit of a walk-in, but once you get here it looks fantastic. There's lockers, there's potable water, there's even firewood here, recycling, everything you need here on site. So it looks fantastic. It seems like it's a reasonable price. It says $17 a night plus $8.80 if you want a fire, so that's pretty good for someone hauling firewood in here for you. And the view is fantastic, so I'll show you quickly what this is all about. There's the beautiful falls if the sun doesn't wreck it. There is normally there is a cook station, but it's closed due to COVID. So at the Laughing Falls campsite, there is a bear pole, outhouse, and they're just a few hundred meters or 100 meters away from the sleeping pads. And I don't think there's a bad place around here. The views from everywhere are amazing. Definitely a worthwhile spot if you want to hike and spend a night here. They even have a kind of a gray water pit, so it's fabulous. And here's Laughing Falls right beside the campsite. So today I am going to take the iceline trail, the junctions. I'm pretty sure I could continue down the trail and still make it down the iceline, but I think it adds quite a few kilometers and I need to meet up with my family, so today I am going to take a little bit of a shortcut. So I just passed the turnoff to go down to Takaka Falls. It's just over 2 kilometers, so it's much shorter. I think I have time, and I'm going to go to Yoho Lake and then down. Adds another 6 to 8 kilometers. So we're at Yoho Lake, and it's got the food storage, some picnic tables. There is 2 outhouses just past the tent pads. So here is beautiful Yoho Lake on a bluebird sky day. There's a couple red chairs, infamous National Park red chairs. The last couple kilometers down towards the hostel are a quad burner. So here's the hostel at the end of the trail. Right now it's not open, otherwise I would give you a peek what it's all about. All the hostels are closed due to COVID. So once you leave the hostel road, you cross it, and there's a trail right across, and that takes you to Takaka Falls. So I'm gonna go check that out, meet my family, and then probably walk back to the falls one more time. So here are the outhouses just beside the parking lot. 2 sets. So that's extremely convenient. Garbage, recycling, all here at the start of the trailhead. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful for planning your next hike. If you did, hit that subscribe button so you can see more of these videos. Leave comments. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see in future videos.